In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit image on Draw.io. In order to edit your image, you first need to head over to their website, which is drawio.com. From in there, you can see this. You can just input or describe your diagram that you wish to use, and it will give you this generate option. Now, you don't need to log in or register in order to use this, so that's a plus thing for me. I have in here this particular diagram. You can just input or you can just add right here an image. In order to edit an image, let's first add it. Do so by choosing in here this edit, or you can also click on file and import something from this. You can import from your browser, from your device, URL, as well as cloud hosting storage. I'll import an image from my device. Just choose right here the image that you want to use. I'll head over and use this image and click on open. From in there, that image will be added. So just wait for the image right here altogether. So here is the image, and if you wish to edit it, what we can do is we can actually just use some options. You can right click on it, you can cut it, copy, and in here you can see the edit style, edit data, as well as the edit image option. Click on this edit image. You can just drag and drop in your URL for editing it. You can also just edit its style. In that way, you can see in here the actual style added, as well as edit the data it's been allocated as well. You can also edit the link associated with it, as well as connection points. But if you want to use it as a default editor, then I don't recommend using Draw.io for an editor since it's mostly for adding it or creating diagrams. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.